Alrighty, so this here is a AirPods cleaner, and open it and open it once more. Now you have a little brush for dust. Now you have a toothpick, as well as on the other side you have a little brush as well. So I'm going to be cleaning my AirPods today with this device. So as you can see, this is my AirPods case. It's pretty yucky, and I'm going to be cleaning that, as well as my actual AirPods, and pretty much they look same. But if we have a closer look, as you can see vaguely, it has got earwax and kind of looks like poo-poo. And the same concept as my AirPod Pro case. This one is pretty nice, but the actual AirPod Pros themselves, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on this camera, but as you can vaguely see, it has got earwax in it and it kind of looks disgusting. So today we're going to be cleaning it, and yeah, let's go into it. Good, as well as the actual AirPods themselves, they look much cleaner. Not perfect, but still clean, and same as the other side as well. Not perfect, but a lot cleaner, and same concept goes for the original AirPods. Pretty clean in my opinion, and the other side as well. And the actual case, it's pretty good as well. So if you want to go and pick up this, then I will leave it in the link tree for you. And whichever way you like to hold it, both ways work. So if it's amazing, it's literally $5. Go and get it.